A prompt is the bridge between human imagination and artificial intelligence. It is the set of words, questions, or instructions that you give to an AI model to guide its response. In simple terms, a prompt tells the AI what you want it to do and how you want it done. Whether you are asking ChatGPT to write a poem, Midjourney to create an image, or Runway to edit a video, it all begins with a prompt. Prompts are powerful because they translate your ideas into actions that AI can understand. Think of a prompt as a steering wheel. The more clearly you steer, the better the AI drives. A vague prompt gives a vague result. But a clear, detailed prompt can produce something creative, accurate, and useful. For example, saying, "Write about space," might produce a random paragraph, but saying, "Write a 100-word description of what it feels like to stand on Mars," using poetic language, will generate a vivid and specific output. At its core, a prompt is not just a command, it's a conversation. It sets the context for how AI thinks. When you type a prompt, you're framing the problem, defining the tone, and shaping the direction of the model's imagination. This is why prompt engineering, the skill of crafting great prompts, has become such an important ability in the AI era. Prompts can take many forms. They can be questions, descriptions, tasks, or even examples. Some prompts ask AI to act in a specific role, like a teacher, designer, or marketer. Others use a structure called a system prompt to set the overall behavior of the AI. The format you choose depends on your goal. The better you understand how to frame your intent, the more control you have over the outcome. In everyday life, prompts are everywhere. When you talk to a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, you're prompting it. When you type into Google or ask ChatGPT for advice, you're prompting it too. The difference today is that AI has become so advanced that the same words can now create text, images, video, or even software. One good prompt can generate an entire business plan, a design portfolio, or a lesson plan. Learning how to write effective prompts means learning how to think clearly. It forces you to ask, what do I really want? What kind of tone, style, or perspective am I looking for? Once you start approaching AI with that mindset, it becomes a creative partner rather than a tool. Prompts are also the foundation of ethical and responsible AI use. Clear prompts can help avoid misinformation, reduce bias, and make outputs more aligned with truth and fairness. In that sense, writing good prompts is not just a technical skill, it's a thoughtful one. So what is a prompt? It's more than text on a screen. It's your way of communicating with intelligence. It's the art of giving form to your ideas. With every prompt you write, you're not just talking to a machine, you're shaping the future of how humans and AI collaborate. Every great AI interaction starts with one thing: a well-crafted prompt.